Out of this 6 derivation, usually one will come. Another 3 derivations are there. So usually one question confirm will get in your question number 44. This is the one type. If you do these two questions are one type, second type, these two are same type, third type. If you know third two to three type answer, you can do 5 marks easily. It's like if you don't know integration also, you can do easily. Like that question concept. One confirm 5 marks here. Learn. Another three derivation in exercise 7.7, including this, including 7.7. Totally get out of 9 derivation, one confirm 5 marks. Okay. Write down. It's all 6 question you write down. One by one you will do proof. One by one you will do proof. Finished writing, just put in chat box. I can do it. I'll do proof one by one. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. If you want, you can take screenshot also. Okay. Next. First question. Prove that integration of 1 by x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 by 2a log x minus a divided by x plus a plus c is the answer. Okay. Any doubt in this? I'm going to prove this result. But I don't know integration of this function. Till here I didn't teach you anywhere. Numerator 2x divided by denominator by 1 plus x square means you can do it easily. But I don't know this one how to do. Okay. Uh, hello. Hello. I'm taking LHS. LHS will be LHS is equal to integration of 1 by x square minus a square into dx. So what I'm doing here, integration of, I don't know integration, I'm going to integrate for this one. I'm going to like differentiate denominator and numerator. I can do integration easily. That format I'm going to do. So what I do here, multiply divided by a 2a I'll do first. Multiply divided by 2a I'll do. Write down if you want there. Multiply divided by 2a I did. Next, 1 by 2a into integration of 2a divided by x square minus a square. I'm writing as x minus a into x plus a into dx. Now 2a I'm writing as I'm writing a plus a divided by x minus a into x plus a dx. Now add and subtract by x I'm doing. So 1 by 2a into integration of a x plus a minus x plus a divided by x minus a into x plus a dx. Now what I'm doing, into 1 by 2a into integration of x plus a divided by making separate the term x minus a into x plus a minus into dx. Take it minus out here, it become integration of a my x minus a x minus a x minus a divided by x minus a into x plus a dx, x plus a dx. Now I can cancel x plus a, I can cancel x minus a. What is the remaining now? 1 by 2a integration of 1 by x minus a dx minus integration of 1 by x plus a dx. I'm not able to integrate this. Now, differentiation denominator in the numerator, differentiation denominator in the numerator means I can write log of denominator 1 by 2a into log of x minus a minus log of x plus a plus c. This is the answer. It's like it's looking like log a minus log b. Log a minus log b means it become 1 by 2a log x minus a divided by x plus a plus c is the answer. Okay, that's all. For derivation, 3 marks. They'll ask including derivation plus 2 marks sums they'll ask. So 3 plus 2, 5 marks they'll ask. Okay, I'll do one more time. One more time I'll do. So integration of x square minus a square into dx. All question are same format. You have to practice more. That time you get it. Which question, which what is the answer. In the exam, they won't give this only this part they'll give. Derive integration of 1 by x square minus a square dx and evaluate x square minus 4 like that. Some question they'll give. They won't give answer part. That's why it will be confusing. 1 by 2 x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. How to prove this result? Now I'm taking LHS. LHS is equal to integration of 1 by x square minus a square dx. This LHS I'm writing as multiply divided by 2a. I'm doing multiply divided by 2a. 2a divided by x square minus a square into dx. The 2a I'm writing as again the 2a I'm writing as a plus a divided by x minus a into x plus a dx. Now add and subtract by x I'm doing. If I do add and subtract by x, what is the answer will be? It become 1 by 2a into x plus a minus x plus a. Add and subtract by x I did. It become x minus a into x plus a dx. Now what I'm doing, 1 by 2a, making the separate term. Otherwise, take it minus sign common in the second term. If you take it minus sign common, it become x minus a divided by x minus a into x plus a dx. Now making separate the term, it become 1 by 2a into x plus a divided by x minus a into x plus a minus x minus a divided by x minus a into x plus a dx. Now x plus a cancel, x minus a cancel. It become 1 by 2a into 1 by x minus a dx minus integration of 1 by x plus a dx. Differentiate denominator, I'm getting the numerator. It means what the answer will be 1 by 2a is into log of mod x minus a minus log of mod x plus a plus c. It's like log a minus log b. What is the log a minus log b? It's become log a by b. So this is the answer. Right now, if you are this concept understood, try for second one. Same method. I'm waiting for your answer. Try for second one. You are doing second one. Learn properly. One confirm 5 marks. Now, what I'm doing? I'm taking LHS. LHS is equal to integration of 1 by a square minus x square into dx. A square now what I'm doing here, LHS multiply divided by 2a, write it on statement, not a problem. Multiply divided by 2a, I'm doing 2a divided by a square minus x square dx. The 2a I'm writing as 1 by 2a. 2a I'm writing a plus a divided by a square minus x square dx. Now next step will be add and subtract by x. You have to write there. Statement you write it because you can remember long time. 1 by 2a into what is that, x plus a x plus a plus a minus x divided by a square minus x square. I'm writing as a minus x into a plus x into dx. Now it become 1 by 2a into, make the term separate, x plus a divided by a minus x into a plus x plus a minus x divided by a minus x into x plus a plus x dx. Now x plus a plus x cancel, a minus x, a minus x cancel. What is the remaining? 1 by 2a into integration of 1 by a minus x dx plus integration of 1 by a plus x dx. So what are you facing the problem here? What is the facing the problem here? The first step. Okay, I'll explain more. Okay, now what is the problem here? What is the differentiation of a minus x is minus 1. Minus 1 is not there. What I'm doing now, 1 by 2a into, I'm writing as minus of minus 1 divided by a minus x dx plus differentiation of a plus x is 1 is there numerator, no need to change anything, write down as it is, a plus x into dx. Now what is the answer will be? It become 1 by 2a into minus differentiation denominator in the numerator means you can write as log mod a minus x plus this will be log a plus x. So this again is a formula. What is the formula? Log a minus log b will be log a by b. It means 1 by 2a into log a plus x divided by a minus x plus c is the answer. Okay. Once again I'll explain. Integration of 1 by a square minus x square dx is equal to 1 by 2a log a plus x by a minus x into plus c. I'm taking LHS part. Integration of 1 by a square minus x square dx multiply divided by 2a, right here if you want. 1 multiply divided by 2a if I do. Next step what I'm doing, 2a, like x square 2x can write as x plus x. The step I'm writing, 2a I'm writing as a plus a. I'll tell you why I'm doing that. Now add and subtract by plus x and minus x. From this step you want to learn. Now add and subtract by plus x and minus x. Now separate the term, it become a x plus a divided by a minus x into a plus x plus a minus x divided by a minus x into a plus x. Here x plus a or a plus x both will cancel, remaining 1 by a minus x dx. I'm making separate the integration also. Integration of 1 by a plus x into dx. Now your problem is differentiation denominator now it's not in the numerator. Why? A minus x differentiation is minus 1. Minus 1 is not there here. What I'm doing minus 1, how I bring here? That 1 I'm writing minus 1 into minus 1. Now differentiation denominator in the numerator means I can write log of denominator. That's a formula. Last class I thought. Plus differentiation denominator in the numerator means a plus x differentiation is 1. Differentiation differentiation denominator in the numerator, answer will be log a minus log b. It means log a plus x divided by a minus x plus c is the answer. Okay, just go through it. If you want to explain, I'll do one more time. Just put in chart box. Understood? What is the differentiation of tan theta? Someone told secant square. S. Uh, Correct, Kiran. Differentiation of tan theta will be secant square theta. A secant square theta d theta. Now I got it x, I got it dx. Now I'm going to replace with this. So substitute here everything here. I know x value. X will be a tan theta. X square will be a square tan square theta plus a square into dx value a secant square theta d theta. Now take it a common or a square common in the denominator, it become 1 by a square into a secant square theta divided by a secant square theta divided by tan square theta plus 1. Tan square theta plus 1. 1a cancel, it become 1 by a 1 by a secant square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta will be, it becomes secant square theta. You learnt in your school level. So it becomes secant square cancel. What is the answer will be 1 by a into 1 d theta. I'm going to integrate now. What is integration of 1 with respect to theta? Integration of 1 with respect to x will be x. Integration of 1 with respect to theta will be theta. 1 by a theta plus c. Okay, I don't know theta value, but I know x is equal to a tan theta. So theta is equal to, here I'm solving in the reading, tan theta is equal to x by a. Theta is equal to tan inverse x by a. Replace with this. I'll repeat once again. Tan theta is equal to x by a. Tan is on the side. It becomes tan inverse x by a. Answer will be 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c is the answer. I think this time 5 marks question. They like this question only they asked in 2020. I think this one only. Okay. Usually 5 marks question, 3 marks for derivation, 2 marks for sum, or 4 marks for derivation, 1 mark for sum. If you taking this part, you get 1 mark in the exam. Want to explain? Sir, one more time. Okay, I'll explain one more time. Here I'm taking LHS. Put x is equal to a tan theta, dx is equal to a secant square theta d theta. Differentiation I did, like substitution method. Substitute all the values here in this question. What they given here. I know x, I know dx. X will be a tan theta. What is x square will be a square tan square theta plus a square. A square is common, take it out from the integration. It become tan square theta plus 1. So dx value, I know a secant square theta. 1 a cancel, it become 1 by a secant square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. What is the 1 plus tan square theta? It is secant square theta. Secant square cancel, it become 1 d theta. Integration of 1 will be theta plus c. The answer. Okay, next.
So we can cancel like that, that a square and a directly.
You can cancel. You can, because it's a with respect to theta, na, means a will be constant. You can take it a also in the outside and can cancel, but you can't cancel theta. You can't take it out theta because we are doing with respect to theta. Means you can take it a out and you can cancel. Okay, understood? Huh? So here put x is equal to a sin theta, dx is equal to a cos theta d theta. So here I'm solving for theta. So sin theta is equal to x by a. Theta is equal to sin inverse x by a. Now I'm substituting here 1 by a square in minus x square. X will be a sin theta. X square will be a square sin square theta. Dx value a cos theta d theta. Now what I'm doing, I'm taking numerator a out. It becomes cos theta d theta. I'm taking a square from the root. If you take it a square from the root, it becomes a. Again, it becomes a into square root of 1 minus sine square theta. Now a cancel is equal to cos theta divided by 1 root of 1 minus sine square theta. Is it again cos theta into d theta? Now cos theta cancel. It become 1 d theta. What is the integration of 1? Will be theta plus c. What is theta actually? I know sine inverse x by a plus c is the answer. I'll take it once again. I'm taking x is equal to a sine theta, dx is equal to a cos theta d theta. I'm substituting the integration symbol. Integration of 1 by a square minus x square will be a square sine square theta. Take it a square out, it becomes a cancel, cos theta by root of 1 minus sine square theta. 1 minus sine square theta will be cos square theta. Square cancel, it becomes cos theta. So cos cancel, it become 1 d theta. Integration of 1 will be theta. Theta value I know sin inverse x by a plus c is the answer. You want to explain? You want to explain? You want to me explain? Understood. Okay. Any other students? If you want to? Yes, someone to. Yes. Understood. 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 Fine. If you want me to explain, means I'll do it. Otherwise, I'll stop. Okay. I'll stop. I think we'll do it on Saturday. Saturday you have competitive, na?